Welcome Kuwaiti customers to EagerLED. We are very honored to host you. After the customer arrived, we first took you to visit our LED showroom. In the showroom, we displayed various types of LED displays, including indoor, outdoor, transparent screens and rental screens, and fully introduced the characteristics and application scenarios of each product to ensure that you have a full understanding of our products. Next, we took you to visit the LED screen aging workshop. Here, you can witness our quality control process with your own eyes. All LED screens will undergo a strict 72-hour aging test before leaving the factory to ensure the stability and high performance of each screen in various environments. We also showed you a waterproof test to ensure that the outdoor LED display can still work stably in wind and rain.